Understanding Heat Gain, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic in store for all of you who are keen on enhancing your English language skills. We are going to explore the phrase, heat gain. This might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Let's start by breaking down the phrase, heat gain. It is a compound noun made up of two words, heat and gain. 1. Heat. This is a form of energy associated with the movement of atoms and molecules in substances. It is something that makes things warm or hot. 2. Gain. This means to acquire or increase in something. When we put these two words together, heat gain refers to the increase in heat or temperature in a particular space or object. Now that we understand what the phrase means, let's delve into how it is used in different contexts. 1. In buildings, architects and engineers often talk about heat gain to describe the increase in temperature inside a building due to various factors like sunlight, electrical appliances, and even people. 2. Example, we need to consider the heat gain from the windows when designing the air conditioning system. 3. In vehicles. In the context of vehicles, especially electric cars, heat gain can refer to the increase in temperature in the battery or interior of the car. 4. Example, the car's performance can be affected by heat gain in the battery. 5. In cooking. When preparing food, heat gain can refer to the process of food absorbing heat, leading to its cooking or warming up. 6. Example, understanding heat gain is crucial for baking at the right temperature. Managing heat gain is crucial in various fields for efficiency and comfort. For instance, 1. Energy efficiency. In buildings, proper management of heat gain can lead to significant energy savings, especially in terms of air conditioning and heating. 2. Vehicle performance. In vehicles, particularly electric ones, managing heat gain is vital for ensuring optimal battery performance and longevity. 3. Cooking precision. In cooking, understanding and controlling heat gain ensures that food is cooked perfectly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on understanding the phrase, heat gain. We hope that this video has shed light on what this phrase means and how it is applied in different contexts. Remember, English is a vast and versatile language, and phrases like these add to its richness. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.